Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about change fractions to decimals and to percent or vice versa. Okay, so this is grade 7. This is week number 4. Okay? So, we have to complete the table of equivalent fractions, decimals, and percent. Okay, so, first, we have 1/2. Yung fraction natin dito ay 1/2. Okay? So, change natin into decimal form. And then, gawin din natin percent. So, una, si 1/2, gagawin natin decimal. So, paano natin gawin decimal yan? So, simple lang, i-divide natin si 1/2. Okay, so 1 divided by 2. Okay, so hindi siya pwede. So, therefore, mag-point tayo. Then, lagay natin na 0. Ibig sabihin, dito sa taas, mag-point din tayo dyan. Okay, so hanap tayo ng number na kapag i-multiply natin ay 10 or less than 10. So, therefore, the number is 5. So, 5 times 2, that is 10. Ibig sabihin, yung decimal natin dito is 0.5 or 0.5. Okay? Ngayon, sa percent, so from 0.5 or 0.5, we have to move 2 places going to the right. So, 1, 2. So, ibig sabihin, nalagyan natin ng 0 dyan. So, yung 0.5, that is 50%. Okay, so ngayon, next example. So, ang given dito is 0.75 sa decimal. So, gagawin nating percent, tsaka gagawin nating fraction. Okay, so sa fraction, sa percent muna tayo, 0.75. Okay, gawin nating percent. So, move right, 2 places to the right na lang tayo. So, 1, 2. Ibig sabihin, this 0.75 is equal to 75%. Okay, so paano natin gawing fraction yan? So, madali lang. So, this is 75. Alisin natin yung decimal dyan. And this is over 100. Okay? Sa place value kasi ito yung tenths, ito yung hundreds. Therefore, this is over 100. Then, we have to divide both sides or both numerator and denominator by divide natin yan by 25. Ito yung common nila. Okay, so 75 divide natin kay 25, that is 3. Okay, then si 100 i-divide natin siya kay 25, that is 4. So, ibig sabihin, 0.75, that is equal to 3/4. Ayusin ko lang. Ayan. Okay, next, last example is yung 25%. Given yung percent, so gawin nating decimal yan at gagawin din nating fraction. Okay, dito tayo sa taas ha. So, 25%. So, change natin into decimal form. So, ang decimal natin dito ay nasa right side, dito. So, move natin to the left ng 2 beses. Okay, so 1, 2. So, ibig sabihin, yung decimal natin dito ay andito na sa left, dito na sa 0.25. Okay, so, or, lagyan mo ng 0, pwede rin ha, 0.5 or 0.25. O, pareho lang din yan. Okay, then gawin nating fraction si 0.25. So, paano natin gawing fraction yan? Okay, so, this is 25 over 100. Then, i-divide natin siya, both numerator and denominator by 25. Si denominator, then divide natin siya by 25. So, 25 divide 25, that is 1. Then, 100 divided by 25 is 4. Okay, so therefore, 0.25 is equal to 1/4. Okay, so hanggang dito lang muna yung topic natin. At again, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.